Hello friends, after completing our 9.2 exercise, well, the 9.1 is all about degree and degree and order and degree. Then 9.2 is all about only differentiation, बराबर, and prove the answer, बराबर. Then 9.3 heading is formation of a differential equation. It means preparation of differential equation. Find the differential equation from given equation. So here some rules you have to follow to find differential equation. The rule number 1 is number of arbitrary constants times differentiation. You can apply differentiation number of arbitrary constant times. This is the point number 1. Okay, and second point, this is the first point and now second point. After completing all differentiation, make your differential equation free from arbitrary constant. तो we know that जो पहले तो आप ये arbitrary भूल जाओ. आपके you have one question in your mind, what is arbitrary? arbitrary में यहाँ पर देखेंगे कि what is arbitrary. बराबर, आप ऐसा ही मानो constant. तो we know that कि if we apply the differentiation, then differentiation of constant is 0. बस ये होना चाहिए. लास्ट आंसर में arbitrary नहीं होना चाहिए. Make your differential equation free from arbitrary constants. लास्ट आंसर में एक भी arbitrary constant नहीं होना चाहिए. Now what is arbitrary? Like, चलो ये तो y इक्वल टू mx है. यहां पर आपको मैं डीप में आपको नहीं समझा पाऊंगा, बट we know that कि y square equal to 4ax is the standard form of the parabola. We know that कि standard form of the parabola is y square equal to 4ax or x square equal to 4by. So y square equal to 4ax is the standard form of the parabola. So we know that a is a constant and there are different values of a. बराबर, कि like if we put a equal to 1, तो 4 into 1 is a 4x. If we put 2, तो y square equal to 8x. 3, तो 4 3s are 12x. 4 4s are 16x. If we can also put the negative values of a. So if there are many values of a are possible, so it is called arbitrary constant. But if we write y square equal to only 12, so this 12 is, in place of 12 we cannot write any other value, but in place of a we can write any values of a equal to r. We can write the value of a from r. Okay, but 12 is 12. we cannot write any other value in place of 12. So 12 is only constant and a is arbitrary constant. Okay, चलो this is the difference. आपको क्या करना है, आप arbitrary मानो कि only constant मानो, arbitrary आपको remove करना है बस, बराबर. चलो y equal to mx where m is an arbitrary constant. M is an arbitrary constant. We have two rules. Rule number 1 is how many time differentiation possible? So number of arbitrary constant times. How many arbitrary constant? One arbitrary constant. And in the second, after completing all differentiation, it means in this example number 4, we can apply differentiation how many time? Only one time, because there is only one arbitrary constant. So we can apply only one time differentiation. Okay? So after completing one time differentiation, then make your differential equation free from arbitrary constant. लास्ट आंसर में m नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके, चलो इफ वी टेक द जो टेक्स्ट बुक में जो मेथड है वो थोड़ी डिफरेंट है, यहां पर हम जो मेथड करेंगे वो डिफरेंट है, बराबर. y इक्वल टू mx इफ वी अप्लाई, हमें एक ही बार अप्लाई, वी कैन अप्लाई डिफरेंशिएशन ओनली वन टाइम, बराबर. इफ वी हैव टू आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट देन वी कैन अप्लाई टू टाइम, बट देयर इज ओनली वन आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट. तो एक ही बार हम अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, सेकेंड टाइम डेरिवेशन नहीं करना है आपको. एक वन टाइम डिफरेंशिएशन एंड ड्यूरिंग द वन टाइम डेरिवेशन वी हैव टू रिमूव m. दिस इज आवर मेथड. तो वन टाइम में ही m नहीं होना चाहिए आंसर में. तो इफ वी अप्लाई डायरेक्टली एट डेरिवेशन तो क्या होगा, dy by dx इक्वल टू m, बस ओवर. m रिमूव नहीं होगा. इट मीन्स फर्स्ट वी नीड अरेंजमेंट. अगर यहां पर ओनली m है तो क्या होगा, dy by dx and derivation of m is 0. Okay, बस make your constant one side single. It means it is called arrangement. First arrange and then take the derivation. Arrangement तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना, arrangement तो हम कहां तक करें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Derivation सेकेंड टाइम नहीं कर सकते. तो y by x equal to m, taking x other side and equal to m. तो अब यहां पर डेरिवेशन अप्लाई करेंगे तो डेरिवेशन ऑफ m क्या हो जाएगा, 0. ओके, मार्क दिस इज ए 1 and now differentiate both the sides with respect to x. So other side derivation of m is 0. So what about y by x? Y by x derivation is a division rule. Okay, chalo applying here division rule. So y by x, तो downside x square and x as it is, derivation of y dy by dx minus numerator as it is and derivation of x is 1 and other side derivation of m is 0. X square other side multiply, so x dy by dx minus y and equal to 0, and dy by dx type any equation is called differential equation. There is a dy by dx, so this is a differential equation of y equal to mx. Okay, so now remember more 2 points. Point number 1, dy by dx type equation is a differential equation. ये तो आपको पता है. चलो, this equation including arbitrary or not? Yes. तो including arbitrary constant type equation is called general solution of differential equation. अगर आप ये इनका सॉल्यूशन करोगे, जो ये तो चलो ठीक है कि dy by dx सोल्व हम कैसे करें, हाउ टू रिमूव dy by dx बाय टेकिंग इंटीग्रेशन, वो तो आपको 9.4 9.5 में देखना है, बराबर. बट इंक्लूडिंग arbitrary constant type equation is called general solution of the differential equation. Okay, so including arbitrary, this equation is a general solution and this is differential equation. Okay, चलो दो हमारा काम हो गया and answer ready. Next, taking the one extra sum, y square equal to 4ax where only a one arbitrary constant. So one time derivation possible. 4 is not arbitrary, 4 is only constant, but a is an arbitrary constant. तो हमें a रिमूव करना है. अगर 4 यहां पर रिमूव हो कि ना हो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ओके, चलो तो how to make here 0, it means how to remove a. तो if a is single any one side, then derivation of constant is 0. So taking just x other side, 4a only a, then derivation 0, and if here 4a then also derivation 0. So only taking x other side. So y square by x equal to 4a. Now differentiate both the side with respect to x. Okay. So y square by x. So downside x. So downside x square and x as it is. And derivation of numerator. So derivation of y square is 2y dy by dx minus numerator y square as it is, and derivation of x is 1 and 4a derivation is 0, and now x square other side. So answer 2xy dy by dx minus y square equal to 0. Therefore 2xy dy by dx minus y square equal to 0. Y common and cancel. So 2x dy by dx minus only y and equal to 0. So this is the differential equation. This is the including arbitrary, so it is general solution of this differential equation. Okay. So here one example over explanation of method and one explanation. Now in next we will start our 9.3 exercise in next part. Okay. Hello friends. So next exercise number 9.3. Okay. One by one. 1 then 2. X by a plus y by b equal to 1, where a and b are arbitrary constant. Okay. So now we can apply 2 time differentiation, and दोनों differentiation आपका complete होगा. Then last आंसर में a and b नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay. चलो. In this equation, if we apply the first time derivation, no need to arrange, and कोई भी आप arrangement करो, आप a and b दोनों में से कोई एक भी remove नहीं कर पाओगे, दोनों second time में remove होगा. If we take y by b other side, तो क्या होगा? 1 minus y by b, कोई y by b तो रहेगा ही. ओके. चलो तो डायरेक्टली differentiate both the sides with respect to x. Okay. What is the derivation of x by a? So we know that 1 by a common and derivation of x is 1, plus what is the derivation of y by b? So 1 by b common and y is dy by dx and 1 is 0. One time derivation over, but अभी भी a and b रिमूव नहीं हुआ है. तो आपको क्या करना है? पहले अरेंज करो एंड a and b दोनों वन साइड सिंगल टर्म हो ऐसा कुछ अरेंज करो. वन साइड a and b ओनली वन टर्म होनी चाहिए. तो टेकिंग 1 by अदर साइड, तो 1 by b dy by dx equal to minus 1 by a. So dy by dx equal to b take other side, so minus b by a. And now taking the derivation. Okay. Now differentiate both the sides with respect to x. So derivation of dy by dx is derivation of dy by dx is d square y by dx square, and a upon b derivation is 0, b upon a upon b minus plus dy. Okay. Alright, so this is your answer. बस आंसर में dy by dx और d square y by dx स्क्वायर ऐसी कुछ टर्म होनी चाहिए. ओके. चलो नेक्स्ट नंबर 2. y square equal to a into b square minus x square. Directly applying. Okay, लो a common and b square derivation is 0. तो first derivation में b remove हो जाएगा, then second derivation में a remove करेंगे. a and b both are arbitrary constants. Okay, अब differentiate. Both the sides with respect to x. So y square is 2y dy by dx and a common in bracket, b square derivation is 0 and x square is minus 2x. Therefore 2y dy by dx equal to minus 2ax. to cancel and taking x other side. So y by x dy by dx equal to minus a. And here taking the derivation, so derivation of a 0. Okay. Ready? So here the product rule. Here derivation means product rule. Y by x into dy by dx. Product rule. Okay. Now y by x as it is. First term as it is. Derivation of second term. So derivation of dy by dx is d square y by dx square plus second term dy by dx as it is. And derivation of first term. Derivation of first term means derivation of y by x. So derivation of y by x means division rule. So here division rule. X square and x as it is. Derivation of numerator is dy by dx minus y as it is, and derivation of x is 1 and other side minus a, derivation 0. Okay. Now x square LCM. This denominator is x and here denominator is x square. So x square LCM. So here x, so multiplying x here. So xy into d square y by dx square. And x square here, so this term all as it is, so dy by dx multiply. So plus x into dy by dx whole square minus y into dy by dx and x square LCM and other side multiply with the 0. So answer is 0. Okay. So this is your final answer. Perfect. Done. So this is your number 2. So 1 and 2, 2 sums over of our 9.3 exercise. Next number 3. Y equal to a e raised to 3x plus b e raised to minus 2x. Where a and b are arbitrary constants. Okay. So here arrangement is possible. E raised to minus 2x is, we can write b upon e raised to minus 2x, then e raised to minus 2x. So 1 upon क्या हो जाएगा, e raised to 2x, then e raised to 2x LCM ले लेंगे. So b is only single. Okay, like y equal to a e raised to 3x, and here we can write b upon e raised to 2x. Now e raised to 2x LCM. Here multiply and then here multiply. So y into e raised to 2x equal to a e raised to 3x into e raised to 2x. Base same, so addition of power e raised to 5x and plus only b, and 2 time derivation possible, so 1 time derivation b cancel. Okay. Alright, so differentiate both the side with respect to x. Differentiate both the sides with respect to x. So here product rule or not. Okay. So y as it is. Derivation of second term e raised to 2x is e raised to 2x and into 2 plus e raised to 2x as it is. and derivation of y is dy by dx equal to a as it is, e raised to 5x is e raised to 5x and into 5 and b is 0. नेक्स्ट वर्क हमें क्या करना है, हमें a रिमूव करना है. तो टेकिंग e raised to 5x अदर साइड, तो 5a is single, then second term derivation 5a derivation 0. तो टेकिंग e raised to 5x अदर साइड, ओके, तो 2y e raised to 2x plus e raised to 2x dy by dx whole divide e raised to 5x and equal to 5a. नाउ एक काम करते हैं, जो अगर ये दोनों कंबाइन है तो हियर डेरिवेशन प्रोडक्ट रूल, हियर ऑल्सो प्रोडक्ट रूल. तो एक काम करते हैं, e raised to 2x कॉमन अपॉन e raised to 5x, then bracket 2y plus dy by dx and equal to 5a. Okay. So this is e raised to minus 3x into 2y plus dy by dx and equal to 5a. And this is our number 2 because arrangement is over. And now next step, derivation. Differentiate both the side with respect to x. Differentiate both the sides with respect to x. Therefore, here product rule. So e raised to minus 3x as it is. Derivation of bracket 2y. So 2 dy by dx plus dy by dx derivation d square y by dx square. So here first term as it is and derivation of second term over. Now plus second term means bracket as it is 2y plus dy by dx. 2y plus dy by dx as it is, and e raised to minus 3x is e raised to minus 3x into 3 and equal to other side 5a derivation 0. Now e raised to minus 3x common and cancel. So 2 dy by dx plus d square y by dx square. Now 3 multiply with this bracket. 3 होगा कि minus 3 होगा? Minus 3. Okay, minus 3 multiply तो minus 6y minus 3 dy by dx and equal to 0. Done. Now तो final answer d square y by dx square 2 times dy by dx minus 3 times dy by dx minus y dy by minus dy by dx 1 time minus 6y and equal to 0. Okay, so this is our final answer. Are you ready? So next number 4. Okay, where A and B are arbitrary constants. चलो क्या करेंगे, अरेंजमेंट की डायरेक्ट डेरिवेशन तो अरेंजमेंट टेकिंग e raised to 2x अदर साइड, तो अदर साइड क्या होगा, ओनली a प्लस dx, तो ओनली a डेरिवेशन 0, a कैंसिल हो जाएगा. ओके, तो y अपॉन e raised to 2x equal to a plus bx means y into e raised to minus 2x equal to a plus bx. Now differentiate both the sides with respect to x. Okay, so y into e raised to minus 2x, तो multiplication rule y as it is, e raised to minus 2x is e raised to minus 2x and into minus 2 plus e raised to minus 2x and y is dy by dx equal to a plus bx. तो डेरिवेशन ऑफ a is 0 and bx is b. तो ये तो कंप्लीट है. अदर साइड ओनली b. इन द सेकंड टाइम डेरिवेशन b 0 हो जाएगा. चलो तो दिस इज द नंबर 2. अगेन टेकिंग द डेरिवेशन. Differentiate both the sides with respect to x. एक अगर हमने काम कर लिया होता कि e raised to minus 2x कॉमन तो ऐसा हो जाता. चलो नो प्रॉब्लम. Here applying the product rule and here also applying the product rule. Okay. Minus 2 into bracket. Here applying the product rule. Okay. So y as it is, e raised to minus 2x is e raised to minus 2x and into minus 2 plus e raised to minus 2x as it is and y is dy by dx and here bracket over plus here also applying the product rule. Okay. So e raised to minus 2x as it is, dy by dx is d square y by dx square plus dy by dx as it is and e raised to minus 2x is e raised to minus 2x into minus 2 bracket over and other side b derivation is 0. First term minus 2 multiply. तो 4y e raised to minus 2x minus 2 e raised to minus 2x dy by dx. This term plus e raised to minus 2x into d square y by dx square minus 2 e raised to minus 2x into dy by dx. And equal to 0. Okay. Two e raised to minus 2x dy by dx. Here also 2 e raised to minus 2x dy by dx, but both minus, तो कट नहीं होगा. तो फर्स्ट वन e raised to minus 2x कॉमन एंड कैंसल. ओके. तो 4y minus 2 dy by dx plus d square y by dx square minus 2 dy by dx and equal to 0. Our final answer d square y by dx square minus 4 time dy by dx प्लस 4y एंड इक्वल टू 0. टेक्स्ट बुक में जो आंसर है वैसा आप अरेंज कर लो. ओके. आई थिंक तो वही आंसर होगा. अदरवाइज 4 कॉमन लेना होगा जो भी है वो. बट आंसर रेडी. तो 1 2 3 4 4 सम्स ओवर. ओके. हेलो फ्रेंड्स. नेक्स्ट टेकिंग द नंबर 5 देन 6 7 8 9 10 थियोरेटिकल सम्स. करना तो वही है बट 11th में जो टॉपिक्स है आपको याद होने चाहिए. बराबर. तो नेक्स्ट टाइम हम क्या करेंगे कि 11th में जो हमने सर्कल, स्ट्रेट लाइन, बराबर, सर्कल, पैराबोला, एलिप्स, हाइपरबोला वो सब देखा था तो वो हम रिवाइज करेंगे. देन वी विल सॉल्व 6 7 8 9 10. ओके. तो हम अभी क्या करते हैं नंबर 5 एंड नंबर 11. ओके. तो इन दी नंबर 5 दिस इज द इक्वेशन वेयर a and b are arbitrary constants. a cos x प्लस b sin x. चलो एक काम करते हैं. ये जो इफ वी टेक द डेरिवेशन तो यहां पर क्या हो जाएगा प्रोडक्ट रूल. तो प्रोडक्ट रूल थोड़ा लेंथी नहीं होगा बिकॉज a cos x प्लस b sin x टर्म इज लेंथी. तो हम क्या करते हैं e raised to x टेकिंग अदर साइड y अपॉन e raised to x इक्वल टू a cos x प्लस b sin x। अदरवाइज अगर आपको कोई चेंज नहीं करना है, चलो डायरेक्ट करते हैं। मोस्ट टाइम पे सम मार्क करो ये। So directly this is the equation 1 and differentiate both the sides with respect to x. So derivation of y is dy by dx and here product rule. Okay, so e raised to x as it is, derivation of bracket a as it is and cos is minus sign, minus a sin x and plus b cos x plus, now bracket as it is and e raised to x is e raised to x. टू आर्बिटरी कांस्टेंट, वन टाइम डेरिवेशन ओवर। वैसे तो आर्बिटरी कांस्टेंट लो होने चाहिए, लेस होने चाहिए। यहां पर तो क्या कर रहे हैं, ए डबल बी डबल, बराबर। फोर आर्बिटरी हो गई अभी। फोर जो अगर ट्वाइस है लाइक डबल टाइम या डबल टाइम भी, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि फोर आर्बिटरी तो फोर टाइम डेरिवेशन, ऐसा नहीं है। ए टू टाइम है बट ओनली ए तो वन आर्बिटरी, बी टू टाइम तो ओनली बी वन आर्बिटरी। ओके, बस फाइनल आंसर में क्या होना, ए एंड बी नहीं होना चाहिए। एक काम करते हैं, दिस टर्म इज ए इक्वेशन नंबर 1 और नॉट, e raised to x and a cos plus b sin. तो कैन वी पुट हियर y? यस, 9.2 याद करो। व्हाट इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ 1? यूज ऑफ इक्वेशन 1 टू पुट हियर। ओके, तो dy by dx e raised to x bracket minus a sin x plus b cos x and plus y। एंड सेकेंड टाइम में क्या होगा, जो माइनस a sin x एंड प्लस b cos x, फिर वन मोर टाइम में इक्वेशन 1 मिलेगा। एक काम करो, पहले तो वन टाइम डेरिवेशन ओवर, differentiate both the sides with respect to x. So dy by dx is d square y by dx square equal to, here product rule and derivation of y is dy by dx. Here applying the product rule, e raised to x as it is minus a cos x and minus b sin x plus bracket as it is and e raised to x is e raised to x minus a sin x plus b cos x as it is and e raised to x is e raised to x and plus y, so plus dy by dx and equal to 0. Okay, now minus sign common, so this bracket into e raised to x is our equation 1. जो फाइनल आंसर, टू टाइम डेरिवेशन कर लिया है, फर्स्ट टाइम डेरिवेशन, सेकंड टाइम डेरिवेशन, नंबर ऑफ डेरिवेशंस ओवर, थर्ड टाइम नहीं कर सकते, बराबर। तो किसी भी तरह से हमें ए एंड बी रिमूव करना है। तो चलो यहां पर तो हो गया कि माइनस कॉमन है, दिस इज इक्वेशन 1, तो वी कैन पुट हियर y। यहां पर क्या करेंगे, e raised to x into this bracket, तो जो वो इक्वेशन 2 में है, e raised to x into this bracket equal to, we can put dy by dx minus y, बस। ओके, चलो तो नेक्स्ट स्टेप, d square y by dx square equal to d square y by dx square equal to, here minus sign common, तो minus e raised to x into a cos plus b sin plus this bracket minus a sin plus b cos into e raised to x. From equation 2, minus a sin plus b cos into e raised to x equal to, we can put dy by dx minus y. And plus dy by dx and equal to 0. बराबर, एंड आप यहां पर रिजल्ट लिखोगे क्या? फ्रॉम इक्वेशन नंबर 2. हाँ, तो डी स्क्वेयर वाई बाई डी एक्स स्क्वेयर इक्वल टू माइनस एंड ई रेज टू एक्स इंटू ए कोस प्लस बी साइन इज इक्वेशन नंबर 1 एंड वाई प्लस डी वाई बाई डी एक्स 2 टाइम and minus y, and here equation number 1. Or take on other side, d square y by dx square equal to 2 dy by dx and minus 2y. So final answer, d square y by dx square plus 2 dy by dx minus 2y एंड इक्वल टू 0. तो हमने क्या किया? डायरेक्टली डेरिवेशन. तो dy by dx and here product rule. This is the equation 1. So here directly putting y. Okay. Now taking the second time derivation. So here minus sign common and this is y. So what about this term? So we can put here from equation 2. This term equal to dy by dx minus y and plus dy by dx and equal to 0 and then answer. Okay. चलो तो ये था आपका नंबर 5. Then number 11, y equal to c1 e raised to x plus c2 e raised to minus x. अब अभी हमने ऐसा ही सम किया था where c1 and c2 are arbitrary constants. Okay. Therefore, y equal to c1 e raised to x plus c2 upon e raised to x and e raised to x LCM. So c2 is single. Okay. So y into e raised to x equal to c1 into e raised to 2x and plus c2. Now taking the differentiation both the side. बराबर, e raised to x LCM. तो here e raised to x multiply, तो y into e raised to x equal to c1 e raised to x into e raised to x, so e raised to 2x and plus c2. Are done? Or here product rule, y as it is, e raised to 2x is e raised to 2x and into 2 plus e raised to 2x नहीं, e raised to x ही है यहाँ पर. और y as it is, e raised to x is e raised to x plus e raised to x as it is and y is dy by dx equal to c1 common e raised to 2x is e raised to 2x and into 2 and c2 derivation is 0. Done. चलो तो अभी क्या करेंगे? Taking e raised to 2x down side and here e raised to x common. So bracket y plus dy by dx and equal to 2c1. Right. E raised to x common and upon e raised to 2x. Now this is e raised to minus x and then equation 2. Okay, so now differentiation both the sides. Here product rule. So e raised to minus x as it is. Derivation of bracket y is dy by dx plus dy by dx is d square y by dx square plus bracket as it is y plus dy by dx and e raised to minus x is e raised to minus into minus 1 and equal to 2c1 derivation is 0. Okay. So now e raised to minus x common and cancel. So dy by dx plus d square y by dx square. Now here minus sign multiply. So minus y minus dy by dx and equal to 0. And the question number 11 is your MCQ. You have 4 options. Here dy by dx cancel and d square y by dx square minus y equal to 0 and select your answer. Are you ready? Done? चलो तो next work we will solve number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, number 12 in our next lecture. Okay? Yeah.